Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my lips nice and plumpy and make them look full. So if you guys want to see how I get these, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright guys, since I'm going to be doing my lips, this is going to be a voiceover, but I'm going to go ahead and start off with my bronzer, and I'm going to go ahead and contour under my lip and above the lip. This is going to go ahead and just make it look more plump. And all I'm doing is outlining it. Right here, I'm just focusing it right in the center of the Cupid's bow. This is going to go ahead and help emphasize it and make it look more popped out. So here you can already see how they're starting to look more full. I'm going to clean the brush, grab my highlighter, and highlight my Cupid's bow. And then I will go ahead and bring that up towards my nose. Then I'll go ahead and take my beauty blender and just dab over it so that it can look more natural. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lip liner, and I'm going to line my natural lip line, starting from the Cupid's bow down to the end of my mouth. Once I have that line down, I will go ahead and start overlining my lip just a little bit, not too much. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. Guys, I promise that I do take my time, but for the sake of the video, I did speed it up and crop some parts out. This part is totally optional, but I like to blend my lip liner a little bit down into my lip so that when I place the lipstick, it just blends evenly. Now I'm going to begin doing the lower lip line, and I just do the same thing that I do on the top. Taking my lip liner, I'm going to draw a line in the center of my lip, and then I will draw one on each side, going towards the center of my mouth. This is just going to help emphasize the lip. And just like everything else, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the top lip. I know it looks crazy right now, but it all ties in together. I'm going to go in with the lighter lipstick, and I'm going to start applying it like I just normally would. Taking a lip brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend the lip liner into the lipstick. So this is what my lips look like after I'm done with this step. This one is optional, but I love to do this. I take a lip gloss and I just place it in the center of my top lip and on my bottom lip. And then lastly, I'll go in with the lip brush and just dab it in to blend it together. Alright guys, and that's it. That is how I usually do my lipstick and my lip liner. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me some love in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Bye!